Hello and welcome to Tech Deliver, the YouTube channel where I deliver the latest tech updates and new technology to you. In this video, I'm going to explain what is the fourth industrial revolution, or Industry 4.0, and why it matters for the future of humanity. You might have heard of the term industrial revolution before, but do you know what it means? An industrial revolution is a period of history when major changes occur in technology, society, and economy due to the introduction of new inventions and innovations. There have been 3 industrial revolutions so far, and each one has transformed the world in different ways. The first industrial revolution started in the late 18th century with the invention of the steam engine, which enabled mechanization of production and transportation. It led to the rise of factories, railways, and urbanization. The second industrial revolution started in the late 19th century with the invention of electricity, which enabled mass production and communication. It led to the development of industries such as steel, oil, chemicals, and automobiles. The third industrial revolution started in the mid-20th century with the invention of computers, which enabled digitization of information and automation of processes. It led to the emergence of fields such as software, biotechnology, and nanotechnology. Now, we are living in the fourth industrial revolution, which started in the early 21st century with the convergence of digital, biological, and physical innovations. It is characterized by the fusion of technologies that blur the boundaries between the physical, digital, and biological spheres. It is also marked by the exponential growth and acceleration of these technologies, which create new possibilities and opportunities for human development and well-being. The fourth industrial revolution was coined in 2016 by Klaus Schwab, the founder of the World Economic Forum, in a book of the same name. He argued that this revolution is different from the previous ones in terms of its speed, scale, scope, and impact. It is not just about improving productivity and efficiency, but also about creating new values and meanings for humanity. Some of the major technologies that are shaping the fourth industrial revolution are the Internet of Things, IoT, which refers to the network of physical devices, vehicles, appliances, and other objects that are embedded with sensors, software, and connectivity to exchange data and communicate with each other. For example, smart homes, smart cities, smart grids, smart agriculture, etc. Artificial intelligence, AI, which refers to the ability of machines and systems to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as learning, reasoning, decision-making, and creativity. For example, voice assistants, chatbots, self-driving cars, facial recognition, etc. Blockchain, which refers to a distributed ledger technology that enables secure and transparent transactions without intermediaries or central authorities. For example, cryptocurrencies, smart contracts, digital identity, etc. Robotics and automation, which refer to the use of machines and software to perform physical or cognitive tasks that can replace or augment human labor. For example, industrial robots, service robots, social robots, etc. Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, which refer to technologies that create immersive and interactive experiences that simulate or enhance the real world. For example, gaming, entertainment, education, healthcare, etc. 3D printing or additive manufacturing, which refers to a process that creates physical objects by depositing layers of material on top of each other based on a digital model. For example, prototyping, customization, bioprinting, etc. These technologies are not only transforming industries such as manufacturing, agriculture, energy, transportation, healthcare, education, and entertainment, but also affecting social, economic, political, and environmental aspects of our lives. They offer new possibilities for innovation, collaboration, inclusion, empowerment, and sustainability. However, they also pose significant challenges and risks for security, privacy, ethics, governance, inequality, employment, and human dignity. Therefore, it is important for us to understand the implications and opportunities of the fourth industrial revolution for ourselves and our society. We need to be aware of the changes that are happening around us and adapt to them accordingly. We also need to be proactive in shaping the future that we want by engaging with these technologies in a responsible and ethical way. The fourth industrial revolution is not a distant or abstract concept. It is happening right now and affecting every aspect of our lives. It is up to us to make the most of it and ensure that it serves humanity's best interests. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Deliver for more content like this. Also, feel free to leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions about the Fourth Industrial Revolution. I would love to hear from you. What do you think are the benefits and challenges of this revolution? How do you think it will affect your life and career? How do you plan to prepare for it? Let me know in the comments section.